Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignam Kurume Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take a class on mathematics for class 1, that is grade 1. Okay. In that mathematics unit 2, that part 1 and part 2 I made. In the part 1 I had completed up to page number 67. This one, up to this I have completed for part 1 of the unit 2 mathematics. Okay. So let me take today the part 2 of the same mathematics. Okay. So here let's explore. Right. Here, do you know what the rainbow that see in the sky? Do you know that the rainbow that you see in the sky after the rain is actually made up of 7 colors? Is actually made up of 7 colors that are arranged in a particular order. We have numbered these colors. Look at the table carefully and then try to answer the following questions. See, look at the picture carefully. Right? Here number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. The rainbow is made up of 7 colors. Right? So which are those? With color we used to say. Right? So they are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay. So next, based on this we need to solve these questions. Alright. So let's see the picture carefully. Do you know that the rainbow that you see, right, that you see in the sky after the rain is actually made of 7 colors that are arranged in a particular order. We have numbered these colors. Look at the tables carefully and then try to answer the following questions. Answer the questions that follows. Right? So here, so this is called rainbow. This is called rainbow. In this rainbow, we have 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 colors in this rainbow. Which are those? See here. This is violet. This is indigo. This is green. This is yellow. Sorry. This is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are 7 colors. Number 1, that is violet. Number 2, that is indigo. Number 3, that is blue. Number 4, that is green. Number 5, that is yellow. Number 6, that is orange. And number 7, red. Okay. So now, we have the table. We have the table here. Based on that, we need to answer these questions. Answer these questions. What comes just after 3? After 3, 4 will come. After 3, number 4 will come. So the number 4 color is, fourth number color is green. Fourth number color is green. After 3, 4 will come. After 3, 4 will come. The fourth color is green. Fourth color is green. Okay. So next, what comes just before 2? What comes just before 2? Just before 2, 1 will come. That is violet. The color is violet. 1 will come. That color is violet. Violet. Right? Next, what comes between 5 and 7? Between color 5 and 7, what comes between 5 and 7? 5 and 7. Right? 6. Number 6, that is orange. Number 6, that is orange color. Okay? That is orange color. Right? Next, what comes just after 6? After 6, 7 will come. 7th is red color. 7th is red color. After 6, 7 will come. That is red color. Write down the name of the color here. Next, what comes just before 4? What comes just before 4? Before 4, 3 will come. Before 4, 3 will come. Right? Before 4, 3 will come. Third is blue color. Blue. Okay? Next is, what comes between 1 and 3? What comes between 1 and 3? See, this is 1 and this is 3. What comes between 1 and 3? 2 will come. That is indigo color. That is indigo color, right? So what comes between 1 and 3? It is 2. The color is indigo. Indigo. Indigo color. Okay? Alright. So after this, let's go for next concept, that is greater than, less than, equals to. Greater than, less than, and equals to. Let us first understand about greater than and less than. Greater than and less than. Let us consider the number 5. Let us consider the number 5. 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. Are 5 chocolates are more or 7 chocolates are more? Are 7 chocolates are more or 5 chocolates are more? Okay, let me do some activity for you. Hope you can do it, because in UKG we have solved this, right? You are familiar with greater than, less than, or equal to. These are 5 crayons here. 5 crayons here. And next are see here, these are 7 crayons. The set of 7 colors, the set of 7 crayons, and set of, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A set of 5 crayons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is set of 7 crayons. Which is more? Are these more or these more? Which one is more? Of course this is. 7 is greater than 5. It more crayons than the 5. Here in this group, more crayons than this group. Right? This group is having less crayons than this. This group crayon is having lesser number of crayons than this. Here these are more crayons, these are lesser number of crayons. Okay? Followed? Alright. So like this you can do activity with the marble you play, crayons you use to color, or anything which the help of that you can do the activity. 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. Here 5, from 5 it, this side more, this side less. This side more and this side less. Okay? This side more and this side less. Right? 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Right? This is lesser side. If you consider 5 on the number grid, if you consider 5, this side from 5, this side more and this side less. Right? Note, more than is also called as greater than. More is, when compared with the lesser, it is greater. Lesser, it is greater. Okay? Hope you understood this concept. Next, let's go. Next, look at the following pictures. Look at the following pictures. Count and write the number of things in each box. Also, fill in the blanks as shown. Fill in the blanks as shown. Right? Look at the following pictures. Count and write the following. Count and write the number of things in each box. Also, fill in the blanks as shown. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candies. Right? Sorry. 8 ice creams. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5. Here 8 stick ice creams are more than 5 stick ice creams, right? Here in this group there are more number of ice creams compared with this. Okay, here 8 stick ice creams are more than 5 stick ice creams, or 5 sticks ice creams are less than the 8 stick ice creams, right? This is lesser than this and this is greater than this, right? When you are comparing two numbers, which is bigger and which is smaller, when this is called as a bigger number and this is called as a smaller number, the bigger number is also called as a greater number and this is called lesser number, and this is greater than this. 8 is greater than 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ice cream sticks. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in this group we find more number of ice creams, so that 8 is greater than 5 and 5 is lesser than 8. 5 is lesser than 8. Okay? Will you do it? Right. So next activity we do by our own. Here 1, 2. 1, 2. Right? Here 2 number of buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we find 6 number of buttons. 1, 2. 2 number of buttons. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of buttons. Right? Here in this group we find less number of buttons. Here in this group we find more number of buttons. Less number of buttons, more number of buttons. Right? Here 2 buttons are less than 8 buttons. Here 2 buttons are less than 8 buttons. Okay? On the other hand we can say or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buttons are more than 2 buttons. 6 buttons are more than 2 buttons. 6 buttons are more than 2 buttons. Right? 1, 2, 2 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buttons. Here 2 buttons are less than 8 buttons, or 6 buttons are more than 2 buttons. Right? Next example. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toffees. 1, 2. 2 toffees. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toffees are more than 2 toffees. 5 toffees are more than 2 toffees. 5 toffees are more than 2 toffees. Right? Next, or 2 toffees are less than 5 toffees. This is less than this and this is greater than this. That's it. So how we need to say this? Here 5 toffees are more than 2 toffees, or 2 toffees are less than 5 toffees. Like this we need to say. Okay. Next, here same. For greater than, for less than and equals to, we have some symbols. We have some symbols. We need to, no need to write whole sentence. Just we need to write the symbol here. We need to write the symbol. Okay, by putting the symbol, we are comparing two numbers. We are comparing two numbers. We can write the above facts with the help of signs. This is used for greater than. This is used for greater than. This is called greater than sign. This is used for less than. Less than. Okay? Remember, this is greater or this is lesser. This is greater or this is lesser. Greater than sign or less than sign. Can be compared to a big crocodile. Can be compared to a big crocodile with its mouth always opening towards the greater number. Greater number. It always very hungry and so it eats more number of things. Right? More numbers. See, did you see the crocodile? See, in which side the crocodile has opened the mouth, that is called greater. That is called greater than sign. That is called greater than sign. So this side it has opened the mouth. This is called greater than sign. And here this is called greater than sign. These are number of things are more in this, right? The always crocodile used to eat more number of things. Alright? So to remember that, what you do is you have to keep it in mind. Remember, greater than or less than can be compared to a big crocodile with its mouth always opening towards the greater numbers. Towards the greater numbers. It always very hungry and so it eats more. It eats more. Okay? So here the crocodile is eating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs when compared to 1, 2, 3 frogs. Means 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Okay? And in the next example, less than symbol, opening towards 7. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7x, 1, 2, 3x. Right? This is less than symbol opening towards 7 as 3 is less than 7. It has opened toward this, which is having more number of objects. So you need to say that more number of objects are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 is less than 7. 3 is less than 7. This is less than symbol. This is less than symbol. Alright? Okay. Next. Let us now count the balloon in each set. Let us now count the balloon in each set. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 5 balloons and here 7 balloons. Right? We write 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. Right? Number of balloons in the 5, here number of balloons is 7 and these are more and these are less. We are comparing this with this, means we need to say that this is lesser than this. Okay? Right? Write 5 less than 7. We can also interchange the number and use the opposite sign. We can interchange the number. Okay? So how we have to change is, we can now write 7 is greater than 5. So like this also we can say. We can say 5 is less than 7 or 7 is greater than 5. Right? Interchanging the numbers. Now 5 is less than 7 means 5 is less than 7. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Means that 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Notice that both the sentences mean the same. Both the sentences mean the same. 5 is greater than 7 is the same, or 7 is greater than 5, right? ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀನು ನನಗಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣವಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The both are same, right? Next is equals to sign. Next is equals to sign. Here numbers are sometimes equal. Numbers are sometimes equal. That is, no number is greater or smaller. No number is greater or smaller. That is called equals to. Arpana is 5 years old. Sujit is also 5 years old. So both Arpana and Sujit are of the same age. We say 5 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. We can write this using the symbol 5 equals to 5. And this symbol is called equal to sign. This symbol is called equal to sign. Okay? Right. Let us see another example. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. In both the group, we have equal number of apples. Means we need to say in both are equal in numbers, right? So consider I bought 5 chocolates to your home. I came to your home. That time I bought 6 chocolates to your home. You have your brother and you yourself, right? Then what I do is 3 chocolates I give to your brother and 3 chocolates for you. Have I given an equal number of chocolates to each of you? Yes, I have given you an equal number of chocolates to both of you, right? That is called equals to. Let's do some exercise, that is 2.5. Okay, so here 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. What we need to say? Count and write the number and put less than, greater than or equal to in the correct boxes as shown. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here 3, set of 3. 3 is greater than 2, right? Right? Okay. Number 3 is more than 2. Number 3 is more than 2. In other words, you can say number 3 is greater than 2. Number 3 is greater than 2. Right? Like this we need to say. Just we need to put the symbol, that's it. 3 is greater than 2. Here 1, 2, 3 fishes in this group. 1, 2, 3 fishes in this group. The number 3 and number 3. Both sides we have, in both the group we have same number of fish. Then what should we write? We write equals to sign. This is called equals to sign. This is called equals to sign. Right? Followed? Right. We'll do more examples based on this, like on the base same concept. Okay? Alright. See, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 objects in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 objects in this group. See, 9 is more than 8. 9 is more than 8. 9 is more than 8. Means 9 is greater than 8. 8 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9. This is having less number of pictures than this. This is having more number of pictures than this. Both are same. So what to do is, what is the greater than sign? Remember the picture of crocodile? Crocodile eats more number of things because it is going to more hungry. The crocodile mouth is open to 9. So 9 is greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. Right? Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Right? 5 and 7. This group objects are lesser than this group objects. This group objects are lesser than this group. Here number of objects are 7. Here in this group number of objects are 5. Okay. So we need to say that 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. Right? 5 is less than 7. So the crocodile opened the mouth this side, means this is less than, this is greater than. Here more objects are there, crocodile opened mouth this side. Here more objects are there, here it has opened the mouth. So 5 is less than 7. Okay. So next is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures here. So what you have to do is crocodile opens the mouth which is having more number of pictures or more number of things here. It opens this side, means 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Right? This group pictures are less than this group, and this group pictures are more than this. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what happens? And the same on the both sides of the group, the same number of pictures are there. Objects are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? The same number of objects are drawn at both the group. That's why we need to put the equals to sign. This is called equals to sign. Right? Followed. Next is, what to do these mean? What do these mean? So 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. Just a symbol represents greater than. Right? 3 is greater than 1. Here 2 is less than 5. Less than we need to say. Less than. 2 is less than 5. Now 7 is equals to EQUAL 2 7. 7 is equals to 7. Right? Followed. Right. Next is, write these words in the number and symbol. Number and symbol. 4 is less than 7. Less than symbol 7. Right? 5 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. So writing from words to number, numbers to words. Right? Clear? So here write T for true and A for false. 8 is equals to, 8 is less than 7. 8 is less than 7. No, false it is. Number 8 is less than 7. No, 8 is more than 7. It's greater than 7. 4 is equal to 3. No, false. It's not equals to. 4 is not equal to 3. 4 is not equals to 3. 5 is less than 9. Yes, 5 is less than. 5 is less than 9. 5 is less than 9. Right? Number 5 is having lesser number than 9. This is true. Right? Right. T for true. Clear? Followed? Alright. We'll proceed further. I'm sure that you guys followed this concept. Just you need to work on that. Then only you can able to be thorough with the concept. Otherwise, no. Just listening or watching doesn't make you thorough. Just you need to follow the concept and you need to work on the concepts. Right? Ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order means what? Stepping forward is ascending, stepping backward is descending. Or writing number from 0 to 1, 0 to 10 is ascending, or reading numbers from 10 to 0 is descending. Followed, ascending and descending. That is called ascending and descending. Writing numbers means stepping forward. Stepping forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to step the ladder, right? In that ladder, if you just count on 1, 2, 3, 4, you are going up. You are going up. That is called ascending order. When you are coming down from top to bottom, that is called descending. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is ascending. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is descending. Right? Clear? This is called ascending order and descending order. This is called descending order. 1, 2. This is called bigger, bigger than this, bit lesser than this, bit lesser than this, bit lesser than this, bit lesser than this. So this is called descending order. Ascending means from the smallest to biggest number. Smallest to biggest number. Descending means is just opposite, and it means from the biggest to the smallest. Descending, D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending is just the opposite and means from the biggest to the smallest. Biggest to the smallest. Alright? Now that we know about greater and smaller numbers, right? We can easily arrange the given numbers from the smallest to the biggest or biggest to the smallest. You can take the help of the number strip, right? You can take the help of number strip. Clear? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Let us consider the number 6, 4, 2, 9 and 8. Let us consider numbers 6, 4, 2, 9, 8. Here the smallest number is this. First we need to write 2. Next number is 2. Next number is, when we need to compare 6, 4, 9, 8. This we didn't compare because it's over. We have written here 9, 4, 6, 9, 8. The smallest number, next smallest number is 4. Written here. 6, 9, 8. Which is the smallest number? 6. 6. We have written 6 here. Then we need to compare these two numbers. This is smallest. Write down this and after this. Right? So this is called arranging the numbers, given set of numbers in the smallest to the biggest. Smallest to the biggest. Right? In order to arrange the number from the smallest to the biggest, we will read the number strip. Number strip. 2. First 2 will come. Then 4 will come. Then 6 will come. Then 9 will, and then 8 will come. Then last final 9 will come. The number 2 comes before the remaining numbers. Then comes number 4. Then number 4, 6, 8, 9. So we arrange the numbers as 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. These numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest or in ascending order. Arranging number from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending order. O-R-D-E-R, order. Alright? These numbers are arranged from smallest to the biggest number. This is called ascending order. In the same concept, we have descending order. Means arranging the number from biggest to the smallest. Biggest to the smallest. Now let us consider numbers 3, 5. Let us consider the numbers 3, 5, 1, 8, 6. 3, 5, 1, 8, 6. In order to arrange the number from biggest to smallest. Biggest number to the smallest number is called descending order. Biggest number to the smallest number. We will read the number strip backward. So in the number strip we need to read 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like this in backward order, right? Or we will see which number comes last in the number strip. Here we see that the number 8 is the last to come in this strip. Then comes 6, then comes 5, then comes 3, then comes 1. So we arrange these numbers as 8, 6, 5, 3, 1. So here number 3, 5, 1, 8, 6. First we need to find the biggest number. Write the biggest number. Then among these numbers we need to find the biggest number is 6. Write the 6 here. Among these numbers, we need to find the biggest number is say 5. 5 we need to write. Among these two, which is the biggest? 3 is the biggest. Write the 3 number. Finally, we need to write the number 1. Right? These numbers are arranged from biggest number to smallest. So, are in descending order. Biggest number to smallest number. It means that arranging the number from biggest to smaller number. Biggest to smallest numbers. So this arrangement is called descending order. This arrangement is called descending order. Followed? I'm sure that you have followed these concepts. We'll work on some examples. We'll do some exercise based on this concept so that you can get thorough with these concepts. Okay? Followed? Clear? Alright. Count the ice cream cups in each set. Take the smallest number. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Which is the smallest among these set of ice creams? Yes, of course, these are lesser number of ice cream cups, right? Smallest number of ice cream sets, right? This is 1. Here 3, here 2, here 1. Here again the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In which set, in which group less number of ice cream cups are there? Here it is 2. Here it is 2. This is having a lesser number of ice creams, right? Next, count the ice cream cones and sticks in each set. Take the biggest number. Now we have done with the smallest number. Here we have to do with the biggest numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. 1, 2, 3. Here 3. Here 1, 2, 2. Which is the biggest number here? In which group we find more number of ice creams? Of course, this we need to tick on this, right? So now we have to work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So of course 7 is the biggest. We need to tick on the 7. Right? Followed? Good. Arrange the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Arrange the number from smallest to the biggest. Clear? Here 3, 2, 4. Which is smallest number? So arrange the number from smallest to biggest. Smallest number first and biggest. This is also called as ascending order. Right? So first the smallest number is 2. Next when you compare 3 and 4, 4 is the smallest. So 3 is the smallest and finally 4 will come. Smaller number to the bigger number. Right? Smaller number to the bigger number. In this set we need to compare this numbers 6 to 9. 2 is the smallest number. When you compare 6 and 9, 6 is the smallest number. Finally 9 we need to write. Okay? Right. So 7, 4, 5. 4 is the smallest among these. And when you compare 7 and 5, 5 is the smallest. And finally we need to write the 7. 6, 8, 3. 6, 8, 3. The smallest number is 3 first. Then when you compare 6 and 8, 6 is the smallest number. Finally need to write 8. That's it. Arranging the number from smallest to the biggest number is called ascending order. Okay. Now arranging the number from biggest number to the smallest number. Bigger number to the smallest number. So that is called descending order. That's also called as descending order. Now what we have to do is biggest number first, then the smaller numbers. Alright. Which is the biggest number among this set? 7, 9, 3. The biggest number is 9. When you compare these two numbers, 7 is bigger. Then finally 3 you have to write. Here in the set of groups, in this group 1, 2, 5. 5 is the biggest. Write 5 first. In this comparison between these two numbers, 2 is the biggest compared to 1, 2, then 1. Alright. So 6, 4, 7. So 7 is the bigger number. And 6, 4. 6 is the bigger number when you compare to these two numbers. Finally we write 2, 4. Right. Here the 8th number is bigger. When you compare these two numbers, 3 is the bigger. Finally 1. this biggest to smallest is also called as a descending order. Descending order. Right? Followed? Next, the same thing. Instead of saying smallest number to biggest number, they say ascending order. They say ascending order. We say it ascending order. Right? Arrange the following numbers in ascending order means smallest to the biggest. Smallest to the biggest number. See here, the circles keep on going the bigger. Keep on going the bigger. Right. This is called smallest number to the bigger number. So consider this set of groups of numbers, set of numbers. Here first we need to find the smallest number. Smallest number we find here is 1. After a 1, 9, 8, 5, 6. Which is the smallest number among this? 5. Of course 5. Then when you need 6, 8, 9, 6 is the smallest number. 8, 9, 8 is the smallest number. Right, 8. Then finally 9. Right? Followed? So here again we have to do the same activity. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. So first we have to write 1. Then we have to compare 3, 9, 4, 2. 2 is the smallest number. Then 3, 9, 4. 3 is the smallest number again. 9, 4. 4 is the smallest number. 4 we write. Then 9. Okay? Right. Arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means biggest number to the smallest number. Arranging the number from big to small. Big to small. 7, 2, 8, 3, 4. Right? Here the biggest number is 8. After this 7, 2, leave this. This is over, right? Leave this. Then 7, 2, 3, 4. Here in this 7 is the biggest number. Then 2, 3, 4. 4 is the biggest number. 2, 3. 3 is the biggest number. Finally write 2. This is called biggest number to the smallest number. Biggest circles to the smallest circle. Alright? Next 15296. 15296. 15296. Here what we do is first we need to find the biggest number. Then in this remaining numbers we need to find again the biggest number 6. And 152, 5 is the biggest number. 1 and 2, 2 is the biggest number. And finally we write 1. Okay, this arrangement is called descending order, and above arrangement is called ascending order. Ascending order. Right? So hope you have understood this concept thoroughly. Right? Clear? This is called ascending order and descending order. Okay? Smallest number to the biggest number is called ascending order. Biggest number to the smallest number is called descending order. Clear? Let's move on. The next concept, let's explore. Manisha is taking a walk in the garden. Manisha is taking a walk in the garden. She counted the number of flowers in each type. Okay? She counted the number of flowers of each type. Can you help Manisha arrange the numbers of flowers in ascending order? In ascending order. Okay? Right? So, just what we have to do is count and write. Count and write. Right? Manisha is taking a walk in the garden. She counted the number of flowers of each type. Can help Manisha to arrange the number of flowers in ascending order? In ascending order. Right? So this kind of flowers, how many number of flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of flowers. 1, 2, 3, 6 type of 6. Oh, sorry, 3. Okay. So here number of 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3. This type of flowers are 3. And this type of flower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this lotus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you do is you have to arrange them in a ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order in this. So smallest number is 3. Just just bigger than this. Just bigger than this is 6. Just bigger than this is 7, then 9. 3, 6, 7, 9 is ascending order of the arrangement of the flowers. Next we will go to ordinal numbers. Next we will go to ordinal numbers. We used to stay, in which class you are studying? Sir, I am studying in 1st standard, 2nd standard, 3rd standard, 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, like this the children are kept saying. You know, I came first in the school, I came second in the school, I came 5th rank in my school. Like that you keep students keep on saying things, right? So what you mean by 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and how to write 1st, 2nd, 3rd? Okay, these numbers are called ordinal numbers. Saying these numbers or writing these numbers are called ordinal numbers. Okay, these are called ordinal numbers. Clear? So here ordinal numbers are ordinal numbers. Ordinal number is the position of the object when placed in order. Position of the object when placed in order. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 1st, FIRST first, SCCONT 2nd, THIRD 3rd are called ordinal numbers. So now position 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, 9th and 9th, right? This is called ordinal numbers. Okay, so let's write. I will explain you through some exercises. In a UKG also you have learned this ordinal numbers, right? Color the first letter blue, second letter red, third letter green, fourth letter yellow, and fifth letter violet. Fifth letter violet. Okay, fifth letter violet. So first letter. Okay, accordingly we make the colors. The first letter is A. You have to color with blue. Blue color. Right? Fill the crayon color as blue. Okay. Next is with red. Next is with red. Okay. Next is with red. Next is with red. Next is with red. Okay. Next is with red. And very next is with third letter, the first letter, third letter, and first, second letter, third letter. Third letter with the green color. Third letter with the green color. Third letter. And next color is with the fourth letter with the yellow color. Right? Fourth letter with the yellow color. Alright, this is the fourth letter with yellow color. And next is with violet color. Next is with violet color. Okay, next is with violet color. Next is with violet color. Right? So now we need to do this activity. So write the number name for the given ordinal numbers. For the given number. The first is with blue, second is with red, third is with green, fourth is with yellow, and fifth is with violet. Now write the number name for the given ordinal numbers. So how to write eighth? E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. This third. T H I R D third. Seventh, S E V E N T H seventh. Ninth, N I N T H ninth. Second, S E C O N D second. Sixth, S I X T H sixth. Seventh, yes, fifth, F I F T H fifth. First, F I R S T first. Right? Followed. So like this we need to write. Now see here, fourth. Here it is fourth. F O U R T H fourth. This is how we need to write the ordinal numbers. 8th, 7th, 3rd, 9th, 2nd, 6th, 4th, 5th and 1st. FIRST first, SACOND second, THIRD third, FOURTH fourth, FIFTH fifth, SIXTH sixth, SCVNTH seventh, EIGHTH eighth, NINTH ninth, TNTH tenth. Like this we need to say. So here are word power, the meanings of ascending order. Arranging the number from smallest to the biggest number is called ascending order. Descending order means arranging the number from biggest number to the smallest number is called descending order. Ordinal number means position of an object when placed in order. For example, first, second and so on. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that, so on. So this is called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means position of an object. Position of objects when placed in order. For example, first, second, third, so on. Right? So just work on this. I'm sure you are going to get familiar with this. Value and life skills. So as I told you, after every lesson, after every unit, we are going to learn some values. Right? Your teacher has taught your class the number. Your teacher has taught your class the number from 0 to 9. You have understood all about them. But Rohan, your friend, is still confused about the numbers. What will you do? Take the answer. See, some students are slow learners and some students are fast learners. Some students are average learners. So the learning process may be slow, fast, average, but we should not tease them. You are the slow learner, you are the fast learner, you are the average learner, like that you didn't say. That value we should come to know from this lesson. You will make fun of him. Hey, you can't able to understand any concept. Hey, like this. No, you will not make fun of him. You will make him understand the numbers in your free time. You will tell the teacher about this. What you will do? Instead of telling to the teacher, you need to help. You will make him to understand the numbers in your free time. Right? This we have to do. Clear? So then let's do math lab activity. Aim to understand the concept of the greater than or equals to or to understand the concept of greater than, equals to or less than. Material required, marbles or a ball of 6 balls of different colors. 6 balls of different colors. So this activity you do at home. As I told you, you take a crayons, different types of colors of crayons, or take a marbles or take a buttons. Okay, anything, just make a arrangement of this and try to compare with the groups. Okay, right. So here divide the activity, divide the class into group of 5. Now put the different numbers of marbles in each 6 balls, forming 3 pairs of ball as shown in blue ball, that is blue ball, 9 marbles, green ball, 9. So like this you just keep randomly play with your brother or sister, with your friends, then it will make you very easy, right? So now call on one group. So this is all about the activity. Now this is fun time. This activity you have to do it at home, right? You have to do the different types of activities at home. When the schools are open, I would have taught you so many activities. Even now also I explained with different types of activity, and try to focus and try to understand the concept thoroughly, right? Fun time. Join the dots counting from 1 to 9 and complete the picture and color it. Now here we need to join the dots. Here we need to join the dots and color it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then where is the 8? After 7, where should we go? 8, then 9. Okay, so this ship or a boat, you join the dots and color it. Okay, right. Next is write one rhyming word for each number name. 9, mine. 9, mine. 6, fix. 1, done. 2, two, 2, 2. Okay, these are rhyming words for the numbers. 9, mine. 6, fix. 1, done. Right? 2, do. 7, haven't. Then 4, door. 3, free. 0, hero. 5, live. 8, night. Okay, these are the rhyming words for number names. Okay, hope you have understood all these concepts. If at all you find any difficulties, just give me a call so that I can explain you. Then till then, take care. Bye bye.